Ladies and gentlemen, recognized guests, and fellow campaigners of alleviation, I stand before you to bandy a content of immense significance, the power of changing your mindset and the inconceivable impact it can have on your life. Our mindset, the way we suppose and perceive the world, isn't a fixed reality. It's a malleable force that can shape our jests, impact our conduct, and eventually determine our fortune. Imagine your mind as an oil, staying for you to paint your life's masterpiece. The colors you choose, the brushstrokes you make, and the vision you have for that oil can all be converted by changing your mindset. So, how do we embark on this transformative trip? How do we change our mindset to unlock our full eventuality? Let me partake with you in a way that can guide you toward a mindset shift and a life of measureless possibilities. 1. Embrace the power of choice. The first step to changing your mindset is realizing that you have the power of choice. You can choose how you reply to circumstances, challenges, and lapses. Your response to life's events is eventually in your hands. Embrace this power, and you will find that you can steer your life in the direction you ask. 2. Cultivate a growth mindset. Consider espousing what psychologist Carol Dweck calls a growth mindset. This mindset sees challenges as openings for growth and believes that capacities and intelligence can be developed through fidelity and trouble. It's a belief in the power of literacy and enhancement. When you embrace a growth mindset, you open the door to non-stop tone, enhancement and adaptability. 3. Challenge negative tone, talk. Pay close attention to your inner dialogue. We all have that inner critic that doubts our capacities and undermines our confidence. When you catch yourself allowing negative, challenge those studies. Ask yourself if they're grounded on data or unsupported fears. Replace them with positive declarations that support your capabilities. 4. Set clear pretensions. Setting clear, well-defined pretensions is like setting a passage on a well-charted course. Define your bournes, both short-term and long-term, and break them down into manageable ways. Having pretensions gives you direction, purpose, and provocation to keep moving forward. 5. Compass yourself with positivity. The people you compass yourself with have a profound impact on your mindset. Seek out individuals who hoist and support you. Compass yourself with positivity and alleviation. Partake your bournes with those who believe in your eventuality, as they can support your newfound mindset. 6. Embrace failure as a stepping stone. Failure isn't a dead end, it's a stepping gravestone on the path to success. Rather than stewing failure, see it as an occasion to learn, acclimatize, and grow. Every reversal can be an assignment that propels you forward. Flashback that indeed the most successful individualities faced failures before achieving their pretensions. 7. Exercise self-compassion in your pursuit of change. Do not forget to be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with the same compassion you would offer a friend facing a challenge. Understand that nothing is perfect, and miscalculations are part of the mortal experience. Use lapses as openings for growth, not reasons for tone review. 8. Fantasize your success. Visualization is an important tool. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself achieving your pretensions. Feel the feelings, see the details, and witness the success as if it has formerly happened. This practice can boost your confidence and provocation. 9. Take action. Changing your mindset isn't enough on its own, you must pair it with action. Use your newfound sanguinity and determination as a catalyst for taking a meaningful way toward your pretensions. Action turns your dreams into reality. Changing your mindset isn't a late metamorphosis, it's a trip. It requires tolerance, fidelity, and a loyal belief in yourself. But every small shift in your thinking will bring you near to the person you aspire to be. In the ending, a flashback that the power to change your life resides within you. By changing your mindset, you unleash the door to a world of measureless possibilities. You have the choice to shape your reality, to overcome challenges, and to embrace growth. As you embark on this trip of metamorphosis, may your days be filled with unvarying determination, the courage to face adversity, and the belief that you're able to achieve greatness. Thank you for your attention, and may you seize the occasion to change your mindset and transform your life.